Why is it when I fall asleep I get all twitchy? Am I dying? Am I trying to escape? Are ghosts tickling me? What's happening? Hey everybody, thanks for watching DNews. I'm Trace, welcome. You know when someone next to you is falling asleep and they twitch? Or when you're going to sleep and you feel that falling sensation? It's a thing, and it's normal. Humans twitch involuntarily as they're moving from consciousness into unconsciousness. It's called the hypnagogic state. 60 to 70% of people have these twitches, but they usually don't remember having them because they fall asleep right after that. That makes them really difficult to study, but that doesn't stop sleep scientists from trying. Science refers to sleep twitching as myoclonus, and the actual twitch itself is called a hypnagogic jerk. When you're awake, your conscious brain is in control, and as you fall asleep, the unconscious processes are taking over. Like a shift change at a factory, the handoff has lots of little things that have to go right for the brain to allow sleep to set in. Two parts in the middle of the brain handle this transition: the reticular activating system, which I'm going to call RAS, and the ventrolateral preoptic nucleus, or VLPO. They are in the middle of the brain, right next to each other, right behind the eyes. The RAS handles awakeness and the transition to sleep. The VLPO controls you when you are asleep. The RAS and the VLPO are the factories handing off to each other in my earlier analogy. During this transition, the brain stops sending out serotonin. You've probably heard of that chemical. It's what helps keeps us happy. Low levels of serotonin are an indicator of depression. But serotonin also helps us control our larger muscles, the ones in our arms and our legs, so we don't move too much when we're asleep. But serotonin doesn't control the tiny muscles in our wrists, our eyes, and our lips. 90 minutes into sleep, two neurotransmitters, GABA and glycine, work together to paralyze you so you don't get up and run around in real life like in your dreams. But during that sleeping-waking handoff, you're not quite there yet. So, one hypothesis says the twitches come to you because you're starting to dream, but you aren't fully paralyzed. Your RAS is struggling with your VLPO. The serotonin levels are dropping, body processes are being handed over, and the hypnagogic jerk is a symptom of misfiring nerves as these two fight it out. Another evolutionary hypothesis says that this was a way to wake our primate ancestors before they fell out of the trees. Because of the jerk, also known as a sleep start, it causes muscles to react and you can catch yourself. In the end, we're not exactly sure what is happening, but we do know that severe twitches can be a sign of Parkinson's or Alzheimer's, the result of a brain injury, nerve damage, or a symptom of fibromyalgia. But that's usually if it's a lot of really serious twitching, so don't worry too much. A new study in Current Biology says that the twitches help babies' brains learn how to move their limbs more accurately. They found the brain activity of anesthetized rats was more vigorous during sleep movement than during actual awake movement. The researchers determined it was the brain practicing and learning how to make their limbs move properly. So maybe these twitch things are just a holdover. Who knows? More research is definitely needed. But did you ever twitch so hard that you woke up? Because sometimes I remember my twitches and I'm like, whoa, what just happened? It's weird. Go ahead and go down below and subscribe to our videos. We're gonna put a playlist of sleepy videos over here. We got another one over here too. Check them out. And make sure that you comment as well. Let us know about your sleeping twitches. Thanks for watching.